Welcome to week 3 of the Living Well with Pain yoga workshop. Start at the top of your mat with your feet hips width apart. Spread all 5 toes and place them one by one, starting with the little toe on the mat. Drawing the energy from the floor up through the arch of your feet, through the calves, thighs, up into the buttocks, belly, and finding length in the spine, allowing the shoulders to soften away from the ears and the palms to face towards the front of the mat. Drawing that energy up through the crown of the head, drawing your attention to your breath, allowing the belly to be soft. As you inhale, imagine your lungs filling like 2 balloons. And as you exhale, allow all the air to pass back out again. Your breath is an anchor, holding you steady. As you inhale, reaching the fingertips up towards the sky, gazing towards your thumbs, clasping your hands above you. Exhale, reaching down towards the right-hand side, opening up through the left side of your rib cage. Inhale to center. Exhale down towards the left, opening up through the right side of the rib cage. Inhale to center. And on the exhale, bending through the knees, sweeping the arms up by the ears, gazing towards the fingertips, sitting in a chair posture. Inhale, sweep the arms up, diving forwards. And here you may want to either place the hands on the shins, or perhaps using 2 blocks in front of you or the back of a chair to help give you support. Gazing forwards as you lengthen through the spine. And on the exhale, explore the motion of allowing the lower back to open and the crown to surrender down towards the mat. Perhaps clasping either elbow behind you, allowing yourself to hang loose in ragdoll, perhaps swinging from side to side with the arms. As you inhale, vertebra by vertebra, segment by segment, slowly return back to a standing position, sweeping the arms up and behind and clasping either elbow, opening up through the chest and gazing up towards the sky. On the exhale, bringing the chin back down, stepping the right foot in front of you and the left leg behind. Inhale, sweep the arms up by the ears, gazing towards the fingertips, coming into your strong warrior position or lunge. As you inhale, lengthen through the spine. And as you exhale, feel the firm foundation of your feet through the mat. On the exhale, reaching the right hand forwards and the left hand behind, bringing the left foot in line with the short edge of the mat and the right heel in line with the arch of the left foot. Bending through the right knee, reaching through your fingertips, gaze towards the middle finger. Holding here for a moment. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, holding firm. On the next exhale, allow your right knee to gently straighten and bringing the left hand down towards the heel. Perhaps here using your block to rest your right hand on and reaching your fingertips of the left hand up towards the sky, gazing towards the left thumb. Holding here in triangle posture, allowing the rib cage to gently rotate up towards the sky on the left. On the exhale, gazing down towards the right foot, bending through the knee, sweeping the right palm up towards the sky and the left hand down towards the mat to reverse your warrior. Holding here for a moment. As you inhale, lengthen. And as you exhale, reaching the left hand down towards the left foot. Exhale, cartwheel the hands forwards, stepping the left foot to meet the right. Now bringing the right foot behind you, the left foot in front, keeping the bend in the left knee. Inhale, sweeping the arms up by the ears, reaching those fingertips up towards the sky, lengthening with each inhale through the spine. On the exhale, bringing the right foot in line with the short edge of the mat and the left heel in line with the arch of the right foot. Bending through the left knee, Sweeping the arms up, reaching through the fingertips in Warrior Two, gazing towards the middle finger. With each inhale, lengthening through the spine. With each exhale, seeing if you can deepen a little further into your warrior posture. On the exhale, gently soften the left knee and bringing the left hand down towards the left heel and the right fingertips up towards the sky. Once again, choice to either use the block here or allowing the hand to come down towards the floor. You're bringing rotation into the right side of your rib cage. With each inhale, lengthen through the spine. And with each exhale, rolling the right side of your rib cage up towards the sky. On the exhale, gazing down towards the left foot and bending the left knee as you sweep the palm of the left hand up towards the sky and the right hand down towards the right foot. With each inhale, lengthen. With each exhale, see if you can surrender the right hand down towards the mat. On the exhale, cartwheel your hands and step the right foot to meet the left. Bringing the left foot behind you and the right foot in front, coming into the lunge position, sweeping the arms up by the ears, reaching the fingertips up towards the sky. On the exhale, coming into Warrior Two, the left foot in line with the short edge of the mat, and the right heel in line with the arch of the left foot. Now as you exhale, bending the right elbow and placing it on the top of the right knee, and sweeping the left arm up by the ear. This time we're bringing one long line into the whole body, from hand to foot on the left-hand side. If you find it difficult to weight bear through the right elbow, perhaps use your block here to once again give a little assistance, bringing your attention to the left side of your rib cage. On the exhale, gazing down towards the right foot and sweeping the right palm up towards the sky, reversing your warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands forwards, step the left foot to meet the right, and repeat the same on the left-hand side. Bending the left knee, sweeping the right hand and the left hand up towards the sky, coming into Warrior One. Exhale, reaching the left hand forwards and the right hand behind, and bringing the left heel in line with the arch of the right foot. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, bending deeper through the left knee, reaching through those fingertips. Once again, on the exhale, bending the left elbow this time, and either placing it on the top of the left thigh or using your block for support here on the left hand. Sweeping the right arm up by the ear. This time you've got one long line between the tip of the right hand all the way down to the right foot for your extended side angle. With each breath, find length in the spine. And with each exhale, rolling the rib cage up towards the sky on the right hand side. Exhale, gaze down towards the left foot. This time reversing your warrior with the left palm up towards the sky and the right hand down towards the foot. With each inhale, finding length in the spine. With each exhale, reaching the right hand down towards the floor. Inhale, cartwheel the hands forwards, stepping the right foot to meet the left and pausing for a moment at the top of your mat, drawing your attention back to your breath in mountain pose. Bringing your hands to the back of a chair, step to the right of the chair, weight bearing through the left foot. As you inhale, draw the right knee up in front of you, opening up through the right hip. You could perhaps stand on the chair here for support, or if you're happy to, maintaining your own balance. Using your breath as an anchor to hold you steady both in mind and body. Outwardly rotating the right hip, place the sole of the right foot on the outside of the right leg. Choice to use the chair for support, or perhaps play with the sensation of using the chair less over time as you feel more confident with your balance. Placing the hands back down. On the exhale, placing the right foot back down on the floor and stepping over towards the left-hand side of the chair. As you inhale, Weight bearing through the right foot, lifting the left knee up in front of you. And once again, if on the right hand side you place the foot on the chair, doing so again on the left, or as you feel more confident to, holding the left knee suspended in front of you. On the exhale, outwardly rotate the left hip and place the sole of the left foot on the outside of the right leg. Once again, either using the chair for support or playing with the sensation as you inhale and exhale of using the hands for less and less support. On the exhale, placing the left foot back down on the floor and coming to stand center behind the chair. Bringing your weight onto the right hand side. As you inhale, reaching the left foot out behind you and bringing the crown of the head down towards the chair. Perhaps resting your head on the back of your arms for support. Holding here for a few breaths, and with each inhale, bringing length into the spine and the heel up towards the sky. Exhale as you bring the left foot down towards the mat, and repeat the same on the left hand side. On the inhale, reaching the right heel, this time up towards the sky. Once again, perhaps resting the forehead on the back of the arms. With each inhale, lengthening through the spine. With each exhale, lifting the right heel up towards the sky. Exhale, bring the right foot down towards the mat. Returning back to mountain pose. And here ends week 3 of your yoga practice.